Making ramen tare is all about layering different types of umami onto base ingredients like soy sauce, miso and salt. And in this video, I'd like to share my favorite tare recipe, specially made for tonkotsu broth. It's the ultimate Tonkotsu Ramen Tare. Firstly, we're gonna cut 30 grams of kombu into 1 cm wide strips. This way the umami will come out of the kombu more easily. Then put 10 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms, 10 grams of dried scallops go in, pour in half a liter of usukuchi shoyu, Japanese light soy sauce. Now it's really important to use usukuchi shoyu here because we don't want to give too much color or an overpowering soy sauce flavor to the tonkotsu broth. FYI, usukuchi shoyu typically has usukuchi written in Japanese on the label like this, so make sure to look for a bottle that has it. Now let's go back to tare making. We're gonna add 100 ml of sake, Japanese rice wine, and 100 ml of mirin, Japanese sweet rice wine. Just give it a quick stir. We're gonna rest this in the fridge overnight to rehydrate the dry ingredients so they'll release their umami more easily into the sauce. Okay, it's day 2, let's finish up making the tare. Heat this on medium-low until it's just about to boil. It's important that you don't boil it as the tare will lose its flavor otherwise. Now you see the small bubbles starting to rise, it's time to turn the heat off. We're gonna strain it into a bowl and see how much tare we've ended up with. Also, don't forget to squeeze out the sauce absorbed by the dried shiitake. Okay, we're gonna add sugar next and we'll need to do a bit of math for that. I ended up with 640 ml of tare and I want to add 1 gram of sugar for every 25 ml of tare. So in total, I'm gonna add about 27 grams of sugar. By the way, I'm using beet sugar, but you can also use brown sugar as an alternative. Give it a good mix to dissolve the sugar completely. Alright, the tare is done, so let's transfer it into a container, and I like to reuse an empty soy sauce bottle for this. The tare will keep about 3 months in the fridge. So when making tonkotsu ramen, we combine it with tonkotsu broth and a bit of MSG. Okay, that was how to make my tare for tonkotsu ramen. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to assemble a bowl of Kyushu style tonkotsu ramen. Right, that's it for this video. If you liked my recipe, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks so much for watching, catch you later.